Welcome to this video on EBS volumes, which stands for Elastic Block Storage. EBS is a fundamental storage service in Amazon Web Services, and it's part of our AWS Storage Series. In this tutorial, we'll explore how EBS provides persistent block storage for EC2 instances, allowing you to store data that remains available even when your instances are stopped or terminated. So, what exactly is EBS? Think of EBS as a virtual hard drive that you can attach to your EC2 instances. It provides block-level storage volumes that work just like physical hard drives on your computer. The key advantage is that EBS storage is persistent, meaning your data remains intact independently of the instance lifecycle. Even if you stop or terminate your EC2 instance, the data on your EBS volume stays safe. EBS is network-attached storage, which means it connects to your instance over the network, but it's designed to deliver low-latency performance, making it feel almost like local storage. EBS comes with several powerful features. First, volumes are availability zone specific, which means they exist in a single AZ to ensure high performance and low latency. Second, EBS supports dynamic resizing, allowing you to increase volume size and modify performance characteristics without any downtime. Third, EBS provides snapshot capabilities, which are point-in-time backups of your volumes that are stored in S3. Finally, EBS includes built-in encryption for both data at rest and data in transit, ensuring your information remains secure throughout its lifecycle. EBS offers different SSD volume types to match your performance needs. GP3 is the latest general-purpose SSD, providing 3,000 to 16,000 IOPS and throughput up to 1,000 megabytes per second. It's cost-effective and suitable for most workloads. GP2 is the previous generation general-purpose SSD, offering a baseline of 3 IOPS per gigabyte, but GP3 is now the recommended choice. For high-performance needs, IO2 is a provisioned IOPS SSD that supports up to 64,000 IOPS with 99.999% durability, making it ideal for mission-critical databases. IO1 is the previous generation provisioned IOPS volume, offering similar IOPS but with lower durability than IO2. For throughput-intensive workloads that don't require SSD performance, EBS offers HDD Volume Types. ST1 is the throughput-optimized HDD, designed for big data, data warehouses, and log processing. It can deliver up to 500 IOPS and 500 megabytes per second throughput. SC1 is the cold HDD, the lowest-cost EBS option designed for infrequently accessed data. It provides up to 250 IOPS and 250 megabytes per second throughput. It's important to note that HDD volumes cannot be used as boot volumes for your EC2 instances. They're strictly for additional data storage. EBS snapshots are essential for data protection and disaster recovery. Snapshots are point-in-time backups that are stored in Amazon S3, providing high durability. You can copy snapshots across regions for disaster recovery purposes, enabling you to quickly recover in a different geographic location if needed. Snapshots can be used to create new EBS volumes in any availability zone, making it easy to migrate or replicate your data. Fast Snapshot Restore is an advanced feature that eliminates the latency typically experienced when accessing data on a newly restored volume. An important characteristic of EBS snapshots is that they are incremental, meaning only the blocks that have changed since the last snapshot are saved, which reduces storage costs and backup time. Security is built into EBS at multiple levels. EBS provides encryption at rest using a ES256 encryption, with keys managed through a WS Key Management Service, or KMS. Data is also encrypted in transit between your EC2 instance and the EBS volume, protecting it from interception. A WS-KMS integration allows you to manage your encryption keys centrally, with full control over key policies and access. When you create a snapshot from an encrypted volume, the snapshot is automatically encrypted as well. Similarly, Any volumes created from encrypted snapshots are also encrypted. You can even enable encryption by default for all new EBS volumes in your account, ensuring consistent security across your infrastructure. EBS is used across a wide range of applications. For database storage, EBS provides the persistent, high-performance storage required by both relational databases like MySQL and Postgres, as well as NoSQL databases like MongoDB and Cassandra. EBS volumes serve as boot volumes for EC2 instances, containing the operating system and system files. For big data analytics, EBS delivers the high throughput needed for data processing workloads like Hadoop and Spark. Enterprise applications that require high availability and consistent performance rely on EBS for their critical business operations. With its combination of performance, durability, and flexibility, EBS is an essential building block for cloud infrastructure on AWS.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.